Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this FareHarbor review, along with additional resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. FareHarbor Booking Platform, the comprehensive review. In this video, we'll delve into the features, target audience, and real-world performance of the FareHarbor booking platform to determine if it's the right solution for your business needs. Designed with tour operators, activity providers, and other experience-based businesses in mind, FareHarbor offers a comprehensive suite of tools to manage reservations, payments, and client communication. It's a particularly strong fit for companies in the travel, adventure, and entertainment sectors that require streamlined booking and operational management. One of FareHarbor's key strengths is its user-friendly booking interface. Whether customers book via your website, social media channels, or a mobile device, the platform ensures a smooth and professional experience. The system's customization options allow you to showcase your brand identity and highlight specific offerings such as tours, packages, or optional add-ons. For businesses needing to coordinate schedules, equipment, and team members, FareHarbor's resource and staff management tools are invaluable. These features provide real-time availability updates, effectively preventing overbooking and scheduling conflicts. Seamless integration with Google Calendar and other scheduling applications further streamlines operational efficiency. Payment processing is another area where FareHarbor excels. The platform supports secure and straightforward transactions, enabling businesses to accept upfront payments, manage deposits, and handle refunds or cancellation fees with ease. Multi-currency support caters to businesses with an international clientele. FareHarbor also offers a robust set of marketing tools designed to optimize sales. Features like online gift cards, promotional codes, and upselling options can significantly boost revenue generation. The platform's analytics and reporting capabilities provide valuable insights into booking trends, revenue streams, and customer behavior, empowering you to refine your business strategies. Dedicated customer support is a hallmark of FareHarbor. Their 24/7 support team provides assistance with setup, training, and ongoing technical issues. They are committed to helping businesses maximize the platform's capabilities, from customization options to integrations with third-party tools like TripAdvisor, Google Ads, and various CRM systems. In summary, FareHarbor presents a robust, industry-specific solution that simplifies booking processes, enhances client experiences, and ultimately boosts business efficiency. If you operate within the tourism or experience-based sector, FareHarbor is certainly a platform worth exploring. Click the links in the description to learn more and begin your free trial today.